What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. In the next few minutes I'll do a quick price prediction and price analysis on RMRK. Abbreviation RMRK, I'm not even sure if it really stands for RMRK. Let's just try to call it RMRK. If you want to know more about the project, look it up on CoinMarketCap, and their site is RMRK.app. It's quite an interesting project, so I would really advise you to at least read it a little bit. I think their project is unique, and I try to do some things I haven't really seen before, and the Kusama blockchain, so that's definitely unique. But yeah, in this video we will be focusing on the technicals, and this will be a price analysis and price prediction, really, so more like a technical analysis, although you should know that that's not everything, and fundamental analysis is very important too. So yeah, RMRK has had a big bull run at the beginning of November, then a small consolidation, and then we saw this certain pattern which you tend to see at ends of consolidations and the beginning of a bull run, that one trend line seems to hold up, and then two, three, four, five touches, and then it takes off, four arguably, but now it has taken off. This all happened yesterday and the end of yesterday and today. Had a big run of 53%, but 53% is actually, I mean, it's a lot, but we have seen more. It found resistance at a strong level here around the 50 psychological resistance area, but I definitely do think that there is a possibility to go even higher. For that to happen, the price would need to find some strong support soon, so anywhere between 40.5 and 40 round. I think it would need a strong move coming out of that, so we cannot have something like this, that it finds support off of that a couple of times. I really do think that we need a touch off of that, and that it immediately breaks to, well, at least 45.6, but the best case scenario would be that the move goes up until 47.0 and then take a break retest off of either 45 or 43 and a half. And then if that happens, I really think we can move on to the next price target, which in my opinion would be 56. It's an area with some nice confluences, and yeah, I just think that the price will find some resistance there firstly. That doesn't necessarily mean that the price will find a lot of resistance from here. I just think that this is the first area of interest where we would really need to look at the price, what it will do with this price area, and based on top of that we can determine whether it can go higher, and if it goes higher, up until where. But yeah, to gain a new bias and some new inspiration for technical analysis. If the price does not get that move, so something like this happens, or the price moves down all the way to 38.3, I think we're more likely to see some sort of consolidation. So we will probably find some support off of that, find some resistance off of 43.5, then probably another hit off of the trend line will cause a big move, but still, if like before that touch of the trend line it has already not shown enough bullish momentum, as I said, which it would need to have in this scenario, then I don't think that touch of the trend line will spark another bull run. It might spark a small uptrend such as this, but still I think we will remain in that consolidation then, if it does not show enough bullish momentum, bouncing off the support level between 40.5 and 40 in the first scenario. So yeah, then we would probably be in a consolidation between 45.5 and 38.3, which isn't necessarily bad. I mean, we had it here too, and that resulted in a big bull run. So it's really hard to say. It's really hard to say how long that consolidation will take, but you'll probably recognize when it's over. I mean, something similar as this might happen, so keep an eye out on that. And if you see a move possibly up until Like if the price reaches all the way up until 49.3 again, you might see something like this, and then again next price target would be 56. But yeah, that's basically my thoughts on RMRK in the next few days and weeks, up to 2 weeks maximum. I always do my analysis. So yeah, you should know that this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion based on technical analysis. And if you have any questions about that analysis, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll make sure to respond to that as soon as possible. And as for now, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.